So I'm using a rain barrel here as the base of the wildlife pond, and it's got a pond insert, which you can buy. And I've created, because it's a wildlife pond rather than just a backyard fountain or pond, I've created a little rock wall, which I've planted some things in order for a place for the wildlife to climb into it. So if wildlife can't get in, then it's not much of a wildlife pond, except for those ones that fly, of course. But we want some of them to be able to crawl in and access the pond. So the next step will be to work on the inside here, and I'll be building a shelf for marginal plants that go inside, and then allowing a deeper area for floaters and for plants that can sit on the bottom. So stay tuned for those next steps.